Assalamu alaikum. Do you speak English?
Yes, yes. Why asking?
We do interviews with people who know English, speak
Okay.
English. Are you okay to have an interview with us?
Yes, yes, please.
Do you work here? Are you a teacher, a professor?
So I'm working here. I'm as the president and founder of the university, Tashkent Metropolitan University.
Oh, you are the founder here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We're going to continue in Uzbek. Uchta o'zbek tilida gap beraman. Hech bo'lmasa ikkitasini o'z ingliz tiliga tarjima qilib bera olsangiz,
Hali harakat qilamiz.
100 ming to'lasangiz bo'ladi.
Yo'q, pul shart emas.
Men u bergan kitobni o'qiyapman.
I'm reading the book which he gave me.
Okay, perfect. Kelsa, biz kecha ovqatlangan joy juda yaxshi edi. Shuning uchun yana borishni o'ylayapmiz.
The place where we eat food yesterday, it was very great. And so we are planning to go this place today also.
Perfect. Zo'r. Keling, men 3-savol o'rniga savol beraman. How do you know English so well?
Endi ingliz tilini bilim darajam yaxshiligi sababi shu yoshligimda ingliz tilini o'rganganman. Keyin bakalavriatda, magistraturada to'liq ingliz tilida o'qidigan universitetda o'qiganman, Westminster universitetida. Hozirgi kunda biz universitetimiz ham to'liq ingliz tilida bo'lganligi uchun bu yerda professorlarimiz ham, chet ellik professorlarimiz bor. Darslik, hujjatlar hamma narsa to'liq ingliz tilida bo'lganligi uchun ingliz tilida gapirishimiz kerak. Majburmiz. We have to speak in English.
Bizni ichkariga kirib ham o'qituvchilar bilan qilsak bo'ladi. Hozir bizlarni kirgizmaydi, siz founder ekansiz.
Bemalol. Biz eshigimiz har doim ochiq hamma uchun. O'qiyman desa, o'rganaman desa, kelsa bo'ladi.
Well, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.